Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video, I did an overview of all the cool effects in I almost said Illustrator, not Adobe Illustrator, in Final Cut Pro. And I wanted to kind of show you a little thing you can do with some of the effects to make your video look cool and pop out, you know? So we're going to go ahead and go to the stylized section of this, and we're going to use two of the effects that are listed under that, I believe. We're going to go find Film Noir. Now, I'm using the same video we used in the last video because obviously I'm filming this directly after that video. So we're going to add Film Noir on top of the video media. So in order to add an effect onto your media, all you do is drag and drop. So drag the media, or the effect onto the media like so, and there you go. Or if you want, you can also double click the effect and it will automatically add it to there. So next we're going to add the Vignette effect, and that's below here at the very bottom. And again, like I said, you can drag and drop or double click the effect and it adds it right there. So some of the effects will let you edit them and some of them won't. The effect Film Noir has nothing to edit, so it comes the way it comes. You can't edit it in any way, which is sad, but it is. The only edit they allow is to mask it out, and masking out the effect will basically put the effect on a portion of the video and then leave the other part of the video at whatever the original quality was. That's a whole separate video, how to mask things out, because that's too involved right now. We're doing basic stuff, guys, because I don't want to get you guys too overwhelmed with this program just yet. So, and then now Vignette, we can edit this a lot. So you can change the blur amount if you want by going here, making it really blurred, or making it a little less blurry. I like it where it was at 2.0. Perfect for me. And you can darken it if you want all the way like I have here, or you can certainly go down below and make it not really dark at all. But 1.0 is the best bet you're going to get with this effect, so I'd leave it there. And the size, I have it set to I have it right here at the very end, 1.5. Or if you want to go a little lower, you can. 1.48 is fine. And the fall off is the size, kind of like how the Vignette is. Is it fully feathered out? Is it not? So we're going to leave it right here around. That's about good for me. And then if you need to center or off-center your Vignette, why I don't know you'd want to off-center it, but if you want to off-center it, you can by changing the X and Y on there. They're both set to standard 0 pixels, and I'm not changing that, so I don't know why you would either, but leave it there. And now we are good to go. That is the effect. Now, I think this needs audio. I typically don't add audio on my YouTube videos I post for tutorials because a lot of audio these days is copywritten, and when my videos are copywritten, YouTube gets a little angry with me, so I gotta be careful. So this video needs audio, so we're gonna add some audio. Let me show you where the audio and sound options are here. So over here next to your library is a button here that has music and photos. Click here and you'll find all of your sound effects and your music. Now, it automatically will allow iTunes music to be imported into here. So if you click on iTunes, you're going to get your entire library if you have your library attached to Final Cut Pro. I don't have my iTunes library attached to Final Cut Pro because I don't want to use any of the audio because it's obviously copywritten, okay? I can't post a video on YouTube with copywritten stuff. So I need to go use sound effects because typically sound effects are not copywritten, or at least not to my knowledge anyway. We'll find out though if it is. So over here, if you click on the time frame, it'll list the it'll list the sound effects ranging from 10 seconds all the way down to like a minute or more. So the lowest level is 10 seconds, is 1 second. So we want to have, so since our clip here is about 10 seconds long, we're going to search for a sound effect that's around 10 seconds. So let's scroll down here to our 10-second markers. And we have And you want to look at your genre too, because stingers really aren't really good. I mean, they're good, but they're not what I'm looking for. Jingles, however, I think are what I'm looking for, so we're going to go with this, maybe. harbor. No. Mm-mm. No. Nah. Maybe. Maybe I can go with that. Alright, let's go with that. So, what we do here is you want to... I have to ever so lightly use my trackpad because my trackpad is crazy on this new computer. It's very touchy, so I have to lightly drag this down to my timeline and place it right here. Now, because this is 10 seconds, and I believe this clip also has a 1.5-minute version as well, I'm going to want to fade this out. How do I fade out audio, you ask? Well, let me show you how you fade out your audio. So I'm going to get rid of that now. Go back to my library. You're going to zoom in as far as you can with your your little project down here. And when you hover over the audio, there's this little button here, a little circle. If you drag it ever so slightly over here like this, that will let you fade it out. And you can do the same thing by fading in the audio if you want to. However, I don't want to fade in my audio, so we're going to leave it just as is. So let's play the clip now with our cool effects and our audio and see how it looks. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, that's so cool, right? Isn't that not really cool? I love it. That's so great. Anyways, guys, that's the simple film vignette effect, I guess we'll call it. I don't really know what I'm going to call this, but you'll see in the title what the video and effect is called. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Please do subscribe. I'll try and post more Final Cut Pro videos for you guys. And as always, I'll try and show you some Photoshop stuff since that was mainly my goal on this channel. But now I'm diving into the Final Cut Pro world. Yay me! Alright guys, thanks for watching and you have an awesome day. Bye!